How to turn off auto brightness on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off auto brightness on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on display. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can simply scroll down and here you can just tap on brightness level. And now here, if you have toggled on this automatic brightness option, then you can simply toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off automatic brightness on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.